In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get small amount loan online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to find an online lender so you can get a small amount of money in a very convenient way. Online lenders offer a convenient way to obtain small loans quickly. So in this video, I'm going to give you a general guide on how to get one. So first, before you even start, assess your needs. Determine the amount, how much money you need, and consider the repayment terms. How long can you comfortably repay the loan? Depending on the amount and the time needed to pay, it might not be worth to get a loan because it could get you in trouble. Next, make sure to research online lenders. In this video, I'm going to showcase 3 lenders, but you will be able to do your own research and find more lenders available. You can go to a physical location, but in this video, I'm going to focus on doing it online instead of having to go over to a branch, for example, and then gather the required documents. Now, all that you have to do if you want to follow along on these recommendations is to either go to the Navy Federal Credit Union website, the Upstart website, or Lightstream. When you access any of these websites, you will be able to find plenty of loan options. So they will have various different options here, and I assume most people will be looking for a personal loan. So as you can see, they have all of the terms listed here, up to 36 months and then between 37 to 60. You will be able to see the terms related to each loan type, and you can click Apply Now if you would like to proceed. They will require you to register to use their services, so if you don't have an account, continue with Google or even an Apple account, and you will be able to proceed. You will have to present a lot of personal information, and because of this, I won't be able to show you the full process on screen. YouTube does not allow showcasing this sensitive information, but regardless, you will be able to follow the on-screen instructions by yourself. And as you can see, you will be able to include a lot of information, and of course the loan amount, which is the most important. They will give you their own terms, and you just have to make sure that you agree with the repayment terms and that you are comfortable paying those monthly payments. I hope I was able to help you on how to get small amount loan online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.